Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will explore a topic that lies at the heart of economic growth and societal transformation: the role of business and entrepreneurship in development. Over this lecture, we will examine how businesses drive economic activity, create jobs, foster innovation, and empower communities, as well as the pivotal role of entrepreneurship in shaping sustainable development. Let's begin by considering the broader context in which business and entrepreneurship operate, and then delve into their specific contributions to development. Defining business, entrepreneurship, and development. Before discussing the role of business and entrepreneurship, we must first define business, entrepreneurship, and development. Business is the organized effort of individuals to produce and sell goods and services to meet societal needs. Entrepreneurship is often described as the process of identifying a problem or opportunity, developing a solution, and taking the necessary steps to bring that solution to market. But there's more to it than that. At its heart, entrepreneurship combines three fundamental elements. 1. Innovation. Entrepreneurs introduce new ideas, products, services, or processes that improve upon or disrupt existing paradigms. 2. Risk-taking. Entrepreneurs step into uncertain territory, often risking financial resources, time, and effort in the pursuit of their vision. 3. Value creation. The ultimate goal is to create value not only for themselves but for customers, employees, and society as a whole. Development is a multidimensional process aimed at improving the quality of life for individuals and communities. It encompasses economic development, growth in income levels, infrastructure, and employment opportunities, social development, enhancements in health, education, gender equality, and social inclusion. Environmental sustainability, ensuring that economic growth does not come at the cost of environmental degradation. Development, therefore, is not just about wealth creation but also about equitable distribution, inclusion, and sustainability. The role of business in development. Businesses serve as engines of development by mobilizing resources, generating wealth, and creating employment. Their contributions can be broadly categorized into the following areas. A. Economic growth and wealth creation. Businesses contribute significantly to GDP by producing goods and services. They create value chains, link local economies to global markets, and stimulate growth across sectors. B. Employment generation. Businesses are the primary source of job creation. They provide livelihoods to millions and reduce poverty by integrating people into the formal economy. For instance, small and medium enterprises, or SMS, account for a substantial share of employment in most developing countries. C. Innovation and technology advancement. Businesses invest in research and development, or R&D, to introduce new products, improve processes, and adopt cutting-edge technologies. Innovations in sectors such as healthcare, agriculture, and energy have had transformative effects on development outcomes. D. Infrastructure development. The private sector plays a crucial role in infrastructure development, including transportation, energy, and communication networks. Public-private partnerships, or PPPs, have emerged as effective mechanisms for addressing infrastructure gaps in developing nations. E. Corporate social responsibility, or CSR. Modern businesses are increasingly committed to social and environmental responsibilities. Through CSR initiatives, companies invest in education, healthcare, environmental conservation, and community development. The role of entrepreneurship in development. Entrepreneurship, often referred to as the engine of innovation, is a key driver of development. Entrepreneurs take risks to transform ideas into businesses, fostering economic dynamism and societal change. Let us examine their specific contributions. A. Innovation and problem solving. Entrepreneurs are adept at identifying gaps in the market and addressing unmet needs. Their ability to innovate results in solutions to pressing challenges such as access to clean water, affordable health care, and renewable energy. B. Job creation. Entrepreneurial ventures are a significant source of employment, especially for young people and marginalized groups. Startups and SMEs are critical in bridging employment gaps in developing economies. C. Empowerment and inclusion. Entrepreneurship empowers individuals, particularly women and youth, by providing opportunities for economic independence and leadership. Social enterprises, for instance, focus on creating inclusive opportunities for underserved populations. D. Fostering resilience. Entrepreneurs are often agile and adaptive, capable of navigating economic and environmental challenges. This resilience contributes to the overall stability of local economies. E. Local and global impact. While some entrepreneurs cater to local markets, others create scalable businesses that influence global industries. The rise of tech entrepreneurs in Africa, Asia, and Latin America demonstrates how innovation can transcend geographic boundaries. The synergy between business, entrepreneurship, and development. The relationship between business, entrepreneurship, and development is symbiotic. Businesses provide the ecosystem and resources that entrepreneurs need to thrive, while entrepreneurs drive competition, innovation, and growth within the business landscape. Together, they create a virtuous cycle of development. A. Knowledge spillovers. Large businesses often collaborate with startups, sharing expertise and fostering innovation. B. Market expansion. Entrepreneurs tap into unmet needs, creating new markets for businesses to serve. C. Economic diversification. Entrepreneurship reduces dependency on traditional industries, making economies more resilient. Challenges and barriers. Despite their potential, businesses and entrepreneurs face numerous challenges that limit their impact on development. These include A. Access to finance. Entrepreneurs, especially in developing countries, struggle to secure funding due to high interest rates and limited financial infrastructure. B. Regulatory hurdles. Complex and opaque regulatory environments hinder business growth and discourage entrepreneurship. C. Skill gaps. A lack of education and vocational training limits the entrepreneurial potential of many individuals. D. Infrastructure deficits. Inadequate infrastructure, such as unreliable electricity and poor internet connectivity, restricts business operations. E. Social and cultural barriers. Cultural norms and gender biases often prevent women and other marginalized groups from participating fully in business and entrepreneurship. Strategies to enhance the role of business and entrepreneurship. To maximize their contribution to development, policymakers, businesses, and civil society must work together. Key strategies include A. Improving access to finance. Governments and financial institutions can create microfinance programs, venture capital funds, and other instruments to support entrepreneurs. B. Streamlining regulations, simplifying business registration processes, and reducing bureaucratic red tape can encourage entrepreneurship. C. Enhancing education and skills training. Investing in STEM education, vocational training, and entrepreneurial skills can prepare individuals for the demands of the modern economy. D. Promoting public-private partnerships. Collaboration between governments and businesses can address infrastructure deficits and create enabling environments for entrepreneurship. E. Encouraging social enterprises. Support for businesses that prioritize social impact can address development challenges while fostering economic growth. Case studies. To illustrate these points, let us consider a few real-world examples. A. Grameen Bank in Bangladesh, founded by Mohammed Yunus, this microfinance institution has empowered millions of women entrepreneurs and lifted communities out of poverty. B. M-Pesa in Kenya, this mobile money service revolutionized financial inclusion in Africa, enabling millions to access banking services. C. Tesla in Global, Elon Musk's company has disrupted the automotive and energy sectors, demonstrating how entrepreneurship can drive technological innovation and sustainability. Conclusion. In conclusion, business and entrepreneurship are indispensable to the development process. They create jobs, drive innovation, foster resilience, and empower individuals and communities. However, their full potential can only be realized through supportive policies, investments in human capital, and collaborative efforts among stakeholders. As future leaders, I urge you to think critically about how we can harness the power of business and entrepreneurship to create a more equitable and sustainable world. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel and follow to next lectures.